Okay, go ahead.
You gotta rip it open. What do you have, Bubba?
Open it.
Mama.
Mama, help.
Dad. Mama.
Wow.
Wow.
Whoa. What's that, Bub? Let me see.
What is that?
Apple.
Oh, some stickers?
Here, baby.
Oh, she got that book.
Oh, for real? Yeah, that one. Crayons? Wow.
What else, Bubba? Show us what else.
Okay, put that to the side and pick up this. Show us what else you got. Can I have it? Thank you.
Let me see your book.
Let's see your book.
Show Mama.
What else? Can I have it? Okay, now see. What's that? Look.
What's that? Who's that?
Mama.
Met Man?
Okay, get in your box.